Alright, here's my Publix haul at Publix Heist, midweek heist. This is for November 8th. Kind of a small haul, $48.23 with the goods. And I had a $7.90 money maker, 99-cent overage money maker. And yes, that total always, when I give you this price, it includes the tax. So these are some new deals. I wanted to get this kind of up. I went Thursday and did my video, and now it's went Monday again. Today's Tuesday morning. I'm getting this video out to you on some new deals that came out in this extra savings. Where is it there? Extra savings book that came out November 6th, and a lot of these deals are good to November 19th. So pretty much got 8 deals here, and I think about 6 or 7 of them are good till November 19th. I'll post a video for you guys, so please subscribe to my channel. And you know, the reason I did this again is because Ibotta, some of these deals, especially these Carbonas that popped back up in Ibotta, the Alpha burritos popped back up in Ibotta, and I had a competitor coupon that was going to expire for $5 off, so I had to use that soon. So I got some deals here. Let's get right into the 8 deals I got. So Carbona, talked about this last week. They're BOGO for another day or two, so if you haven't gotten them, get them. They're regularly $5.39, so 4 of these would cost me $23.18, but they're BOGO, so they cost me $11.59. And Ibotta has $2 off of each one. It reset, and actually I was happy because Ibotta took $3 off each one. I'm not going to complain, argue. I'll just go with it. And then the hang tags were $1 off of each one, so made these guys spending $11.59, getting back $12 from Ibotta, $4 with the coupons, made that a $4.41 money maker. Alpha Nuggets did this last week as well, so these were they're still on sale, and so we're gonna keep doing the deal. So they're regularly $3.39. They're on sale 2 for $4. Got that buy one get one free, and then there's a peelie that was $1 off, so I had that as well. So, and then I got $1 off of 2 in Ibotta, so it's paid $4 for both of those. Got $2 back here, $1 back from the peelie, and $1 back from Ibotta, made them 0. Keep going. Rockstar did this last week, just a digital coupon for a free one. So regularly $2.69, you get $2.50 back, only costing me 19 cents. Roni did that deal again. These will keep on. That Roni are 2 for $3, so they're regularly $2.29 each. They're 2 for $3, and then there's a $2 off digital coupon, making them only 99 cents. So did that deal. So now let's get into the new deals that came out in the extra savings book Sunday. So this was a Chapstick. They're $1.99 with tax. It comes to $2.14, and a digital coupon takes $1 off, and you got the extra savings coupon takes another $1 off, making it 14 cents, or most people would say free. Excedrin, migrane, these are $4.99, and the other Excedrin is $4.99, 24 count. Digital coupon takes $2 off. Extra savings takes $2 off, making that only 99 cents. Keep going. We got the perfect bar. Popped up in Ibotta for free, so pay $2.50. You get back $2.25 from Ibotta. You don't get the full amount, but good enough. Made that only 25 cents. And finally, last deal of the 8 was the Hungry Jack. These are on sale, instead of $1.39, they're $1 each. Checkout 51 has $1 off, and then I think Marianne tipped me off to this deal in the Smart Source Sunday, $11.7 off. So made that a $1 money maker. So that one was good, and I had that competitor coupon that took $5 off of 30 right there. So as you can see, I spent $9.26. and I got back $15.25 from Ibotta, $1 from Checkout 51, and this $1 manufacturer I'm going to take back in because I didn't have it at the time, so that'll really help. And hey, there's a couple other good deals. This Tenna, $5 off of 2. What did we do last week? I got 6 of them, so I'm going to take my receipt in and say, hey, I didn't have this coupon at the time. Customer service will give me a $5 credit right there. So once again, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here. Check out my more paid to shop videos, and once again, paid to shop.